For 15 years, I was the top sales producer at every company I ever worked for. And this is the most important tip I learned: being a sales superstar. Doesn't matter what industry you're in, what products you're selling, or what company you're working for. If you want to be a sales superstar, you've got to find a sales process that is easy to learn. And more importantly, you've got to find other like-minded people that are using that same sales process and get together with them on a regular basis. This way, you can get better as a group. That's what we're doing over at eastonuniversity.com. We've got the sales process for you. There's on-demand training that you can get into 24/7, 365. And then every week, you can get on live sessions with me, with other people making $250,000, $500,000, over $1 million a year, and we get better as a group. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your income in sales, you've got to have a process, and then you have to have other people that you're learning that process with. My name's Matt Easton. Consider checking us out over at eastonuniversity.com for exclusive content and one-on-one live training with me.